Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unlock iPhone 13 Pro Max. Also this method is working for ISO 26 and I'm going to unlock iPhone locked into owner, or you can say I will bypass this iCloud account. So first of all you need to buy the unlocking file from us. If you are interested in our unlocking file, you can WhatsApp me on this number or you can Telegram me on this number for the unlocking iCloud file. After buying the unlocking file, just you need to import the unlocking file to the 3U tool. 3U tool is a free tool for flashing, and import the unlocking file to the 3U tool and start flashing. Like go to smart flash mode and select retain user data and click on flash, and it will take like 5 to 10 minutes depend on your iPhone model, and your iPhone will be unlocked it. After that you have to follow these easy steps to activate this phone. If you're interested in our unlocking file, you can WhatsApp me on this number or you can Telegram me on this number, or if you don't have WhatsApp and Telegram, you can email us on our email address. Email address is available in description link. If you like and subscribe, I will give you 10% extra discount on our unlocking file, so don't miss to like and subscribe to get 10% extra discount on our unlocking file. Congratulations, retain user data flash has been completed. Now select language, select any country and follow these steps to activate this phone. It may take a few minutes to activate your phone. If you see data and privacy, it's mean the old iCloud is gone and now you can activate your phone. So don't worry, you will see 100% data and privacy option. Our unlocking file is on the latest ISO 26. So if you are interested in our unlocking file, you can WhatsApp me or you can email us on our email address. If you don't have WhatsApp and email, then you have to Telegram me on this number. This method is working with iPhone 17 series, iPhone 16 series, iPhone 15 series, iPhone 14 series, iPhone 13 series, iPhone 12, iPhone 11 series. All the series are supported. If you have iPhone X series, you can also contact me. If you have MacBook or you have iPad, you can also contact us and buy the unlocking file for them. Welcome. Get start. Okay, you can see our phone is unlocked it on the latest ISO 26 and everything is working fine. You can enter the SIM card and make some call. You can also update or reset. Everything will work fine. If you need any help, you can contact us and buy the unlocking file. You have to buy the unlocking file, then you can unlock your phone. This is iPhone 13 Pro Max. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.